Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you some very rare and very old crochet made designs. I will show you these one by one as they are so beautiful and very old designs. These are made almost 4 decades ago by very beautiful hands. Those hands have gone very old now, but these are very rare and made so beautifully. I hope you will love them and will admire them. Look at this beautiful and very immaculate. And design is so nice. Look at this one. Wow. This can be used as mini round table cover. How beautifully this is made. It looks so beautiful and immaculate. This one is a big cover. Its design is so beautiful. Wow. I hope you will like them and love them and will try to make like these. These are very old, but are very stunning. So immaculate. Look at another one. This is a big round table cover. One thing I should tell you that these are all made by thread. No wool was used, and they are made with such a great skill. Very gorgeous. Look at this one. So nice and gorgeous. It's made with 2 colors, but looks so stunning. This is another one. The color is light yellow, but the design is so beautiful. Very nice. Wow. This is another one, a masterpiece of that beauty. It is round table cover, but the design is fabulous. So wonderful. This is another one. Very nice. Absolutely stunning. This one is rectangular, crochet made doily. But design is so fabulous and very immaculate. It looks so nice. This is another one. This can be made as table runners, mini table runners. So beautiful. And look at this one. Impeccable and immaculate. Wow. Such a nice design. I hope, friends, you have liked them and find them very interesting. Some of the designs are so beautiful, you can also make them. Please tell me in the comment section, how did you find these designs? Were they good? Would you try to make like these? Did you find them interesting? Please don't forget to like this video and share this with your family and friends, and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much for watching this.